In the next 10 to 15 years, robots won't just assist us, they'll transform the way we live, work, and even think. From your kitchen to outer space, the age of human dominance is merging with the era of intelligent machines. Welcome to the revolution of robots, where the future is being built today.
The rise has already begun. Right now, robots are already everywhere. In factories building cars, in hospitals assisting surgeons, and even delivering packages to your doorstep. But this is just the beginning. By 2035, experts predict nearly 50% of all repetitive jobs will be automated. Imagine a world where machines work 24/7, with zero fatigue, no coffee breaks, and no human error. The next decade isn't about replacing humans, it's about redefining what humans do.
Everyday life transformed. Your home will soon be run by robots. AI-powered chefs will cook your favorite meal, autonomous cleaners will maintain your space, and humanoid assistants will learn your habits, even your moods. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. Prototypes already exist. By 2040, robots will be as common as smartphones are today. Connected, personalized, and almost alive.
Industries reimagined. The revolution will hit every industry. In agriculture, robots will monitor crops and predict harvests with AI precision. In healthcare, robotic surgeons will perform complex operations remotely. In transport, driverless vehicles will dominate the roads, safer, faster, smarter. Every machine will be powered by deep learning and massive data, evolving faster than any generation before.
The human side. But here's the real question. Where do we fit in? Humans won't vanish. We'll evolve alongside machines. The future belongs to the cyber-human, individuals who can collaborate with AI, program robots, and lead in a hybrid world. Our creativity, emotion, and ethics will guide what machines can't replicate, the human soul. The future is closer than you think. The next 10 to 15 years will redefine civilization. We're not entering the robotic revolution, we're already in it. The question is, will you adapt or be left behind? Hit subscribe and like this video to join the future.